This video is intended to provide general information. Some information may not apply to your case. What are permanent total disability benefits? Tennessee's workers' compensation law provides permanent total disability benefits to some injured workers who have permanent injuries caused by their work. Permanent total disability benefits are paid to injured workers whose injuries are the most severe. Recipients of these benefits are those injured workers who are not expected to be able to return to any work. Less severe permanent injuries typically receive a permanent partial disability benefit. The amount of the total disability benefit is based upon the injured worker's average weekly wage and compensation rate. The average weekly wage is the average of the amount of all wages earned each week before the injury. Employers provide a list of the wages earned in the year before the injury. To calculate the average, add up the wages and divide by the number of weeks paid. In this example, the average weekly wage is $500. The weekly benefit rate is usually 2/3 of the average weekly wage, so multiply that number by 0.6667. In this example, an average weekly wage of $500 times 0.6667 gives a compensation rate of $333.34, which would be the total disability benefit due the worker in this example. A permanent total disability recipient will receive regular weekly, biweekly, or monthly payments until they are eligible for their full Social Security benefit. Permanent total disability payments will stop if the recipient is able to return to gainful employment or upon death. The insurance company has the right to have the permanent disability status checked by a physician every 2 years. This benefit cannot be passed on to family or dependents. Before any payment is due, a judge must issue an order for permanent total disability benefits. This often occurs during a settlement conference with the injured worker and the insurance company. If you have questions about permanent total disability benefits, call our Ombudsman program at 800-332-2667. Thank you for watching this Tennessee Bureau of Workers' Compensation Frequently Asked Questions video. For additional information, please visit our website at tn.gov/workerscomp.